Today we're going to be learning how to make simple, customizable lettuce wraps. Prepare your rice as stated on the box. Make sure to wash all your produce before using it. Make sure your leafy greens are washed thoroughly by each individual leaf used. Don't forget to lightly dry them. Prepare your produce as desired, but make sure to keep your fingers out of the way of the knife. We don't want to be causing any accidents. When preparing peppers, don't forget to take out the center core. Don't forget to drain the excess water from your rice before you add it to your wrap. Always feel free to heat up anything you want to add to your wrap in the microwave. Feel free to add any sort of toppings to your wrap, including that of produce, protein, and beans. Go ahead and start the base of your wrap by breaking up some of your lettuce, adding rice and beans, or other proteins if desired. Go ahead and top as desired. On one of these I added carrots, another one peppers, and on the final one, corn and tomatoes. Gorgeous and delicious, a simple meal that can be made in minutes.